Today we are going to learn the sound of the letter I. Ice for ice cream. Ice cream. I is for igloo. Igloo. I is for iguana. Iguana. I is for iguana. Iguana. I is for ink. Ink. I is for ink. Ink. I is for iron. Iron. I is for island. Island. Let's hear a story of I. Let's go! One sunny morning, Letter I woke up and stretched. I feel important today, he smiled, putting on his little ice blue shoes. He grabbed his igloo backpack and said, I'm off to the incredible place. As he arrived, he saw an iguana doing yoga, an ice cream truck playing music, and an insect and painting colourful pictures on the sand. Wow, this place is full of I things, said I with joy. Suddenly he heard a trumpet sound. It was an Ibis bird playing music for everyone to dance. Then a shiny iron floated by on a surfboard. Hop on, it said. Letter I laughed and jumped on, shouting, everything here is so interesting. I love being it. As the sun set behind the Igloo Castle, all the I things danced together. Letter I waved and said, stay incredible, my I friends. For more alphabet stories, subscribe now and hit the bell icon.